KATVR Premium Components, Accessories, and Installation Tools. Place the base plate in an open and flat space. Turn the lower nut clockwise to lower the nut. Install the base plate holder. Turn the metal hinges on the base plate outwards. Place the support pillar onto the base plate. Get 2 screws on the support pillar out. Turn the hinges back. Make sure the holes on hinges match holes on support pillar. Tighten the 2 screws. Place a foam pad with at least 20 cm high to the place where the support pillar lies. Put the support pillar down slowly by 2 men, ensuring that it lies on the foam pad. Insert the girder to the support pillar. Flanges are close to each other. Turn the girder from horizontal to vertical. Fix the screws with gaskets in the connection of the girder and the support pillar. Loosen the tightening screw. Get 2 M5 screws, nylon nut, round nut, safe nut, spring and spring pallet out from the telescopic stick in sequence. Insert the telescopic stick from the lower end of the girder. Pay attention to the direction of the flange on the top of the telescopic stick. Put the spring pallet, spring, safe nut, round nut, nylon nut on the stick in sequence. And finally, tighten the M5 screws. Put the HTC Vive 3-in-1 cable through the lower end of the telescopic stick. The RP end and the U-type bolts inside the top cover. Be aware of the data wire direction. Put the 3-in-1 cable through the Y pipe inside the girder and pull it from the back end of the girder. Install the support plate. Install the top cover. Lift the support pillar carefully. Place it on the base plate. Match the holes on support pillar and the base plate. Fix the screws and gaskets. Install the top part shell of support pillar. Use screws to fix. Install the grounding cable. Install the base plate shell. Put the LED light cable installed on the base plate shell through the reserved hole of support pillar. Use screws to fix the shell. Install the lower part shell of support pillar. Let the 3-in-1 cable and top sensor cable go through the reserved holes. Install the connecting rod. One man stands under the connecting rod. Pull it to the bottom. Let the connecting panel of it matches the telescopic stick. Another man fixes the screws. Install the equipment storage hook to place the headset. Take out the screws on the back cushion of the connecting rod. Install the equipment storage hook on the connecting rod. Insert the 3-in-1 cable to the HTC Vive headset. Install the pedal and stickers. Installation complete.